So this next stitch, I call it a filler stitch. So I'm going to put to good use now this our straight line bead method. So I'm going to pick up collect one go 20. Pick this up. Pass it down.
How dare you? How dare you order my friend right in front of me, in my presence? Didn't your parents teach you an iota of respect? Don't you ever call my parents in my that again? What is your problem, Bika? Why are you making all my efforts for us to connect and hold? Why? Ask yourself. For once, why you keep coming to my house? I never came to your house. Why would I ever come to see you? Maybe if you have asked yourself this question, you stop me. But since you want to, I have been asking myself something. And the answer just came to me. Who's going to know why do you do something? Why do you test me? Why does my presence make you want? And the answer is that she is my problem. Do not know what I am saying. That wretched thing, that lunatic, the cause of self-esteem and attention, her wretched father is my problem. She is distracting you from noticing me, from giving you my attention. And I saw her like my problem. So finally added emotional to non-truths. Get out of that. Obika! Obika! Don't you ever shut my head like that! What are you looking at? What are you looking at? Look at me one more time and the thought of the you. If not,
there is no point complaining to the evening since we've reported this matter to his parents.
no way. No way. I was supposed to be with and if it to the police. What about if he hurts you? What happened you? Huh? I need to stop him from coming to you.
Papa.
So now this is the main stitch now. I call this filler stitch. So that's what we're about to start now.
washing clothes. To
So you
disinfect
pick
your toilet
one.
properly, you need Harpic Gen-X. It is specially made for germs and stains remover. Harpic sticker formula settles on stains and gives 10 times better cleaning compared to regular detergent.
No, please, Chemical. Really? Yeah. Now that she's part of the mission, the next house is yours.
Whoa, how hard is she? Just pick me, baby. Come pick me, girl, and I'm all ready for you.
So tasty.
He's so lucky. Mini-me, taste the fun.
When times are tough, we know that as a mother, one thing you should never compromise is your family's oral health because they deserve the best. Oral B, all-round protection. It's great value. It protects your mouth from harmful bacteria and also protects you against toothaches and gum problems which can lead to tooth loss. It strengthens your family's teeth and gives them all-round protection. So remember, protect their future. Oral B for healthier, stronger teeth in just 1 week.
Let me tell you a story of a little girl named after a star. Nyota.
Señorita, here's the thing. You're talented.
I need to discover who I am without you.
What do you mean you're nothing? Nothing, Nikita.
You know what, Nyota? If you really want this, you got to do whatever it takes.
I have to warn you. Sorry for thunder. Guards! Walking out on me. You're walking out on me.
So this is filler stitch.
Come back here. Oh. When I told his father off, blindness becomes